Like discomfort.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Ayos. Okay. Goods. Sarap. Since I have an injury in wrist, then it transfer here in my
Elbow area?
Then now after 3 months in
Shoulder.
shoulder.
Oh.
Then affect stiffness in my neck.
So it started with the wrist, went to elbow, and went all the way up there.
Yeah.
Is it frozen shoulder or is it painful
No,
shoulder?
not frozen.
Okay.
But it breaks my hand.
Mm.
Like discomfort.
Okay. What number out of 10 is the discomfort right now? 5 out of 10? Numbness and tingling, where do you feel that again? In your wrist?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here.
In your elbow?
Yeah, elbow.
Tingling,
Yeah.
numbness. So there may be a pinched nerve in your neck, so I want to make sure that's okay, okay?
Yeah.
What we want to do is we want to do a pre-test, and then I'm going to realign your spine, improve your posture, and do a post-test. During the post-test, we want to see 50% better, 75% better, or even 100% better. If you do feel better, we found the root cause of your problem. It was your posture. Because that's the only thing I fixed today. Now, if you don't feel better, we actually choose not to continue. We don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your money here. Your shoulder is higher on this side than this side. Are you aware of that, sir?
No.
Your right shoulder is just a little bit higher than this side. Turn your head this way.
To the left.
Yes, as far as you can. Is there any pain, tightness, stiffness when you do that?
Yes, in my back. 5.
Go and turn the other way, please.
Tightness.
Tightness.
Yes.
Would you
3.
put 3 out of 10 tightness?
Yeah.
Look down towards your feet.
Yeah, in back.
Back.
5.
5.
Yeah.
Now look up.
Only tightness. 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
You're gonna go forward. That's just is that
4.
4?
Yeah.
Is it in your lower back or
Lower back, yeah.
lower back? 4. Backwards.
5.
5 out of
Yeah.
10. Okay. I see a left leg that's short. The rest of your spine. What's here? I'm just gonna get your shoulders more balanced for you. Okay, right here.
Okay, sir. Okay, Doc. Okay.
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 Okay. Don't help me. Yeah, just go right there.
So, feel better. Yeah, nawala yung tightness.
So I'm gonna make your legs even. Okay.
Okay.
Again, this is rotated here. I'm gonna get it better for you.
Okay.
So this area right here. Okay.
Ayos to. Medyo mo yung sa likod eh.
One more. Okay.
Okay.
All right, one more. Okay, one last one down here.
Sarap.
Areas here that's not moving well. Okay, I'm just gonna just moving. There you go. One more. Okay.
Yes, Doc. Okay.
I'm gonna help your lower back right here.
Ano, feel better.
What we have is your legs are pantay na. So I'm looking at your shoulder. It looks, it's still a little higher, but it came down. Go ahead and turn your head this way. This way. 2.
Yeah.
How the other way?
1.
You're gonna look down.
0.
0.
Yeah.
5 to 0.
Yeah.
100% better. Look up, please.
2.
2.
Yeah.
That was 4, sir, in your back.
1.
Backwards.
Also 1.
But go ahead and lift up your shoulder, arm. Yeah, as high as you can.
1.
It went down to 1.
Yeah. Bumisita ako kay Doc Kim kasi may tightness sa shoulder, sa upper neck, and sa lower back ko. Thank you kay Doc Kim. Nawala na yung sakit sa shoulder ko, sa lower back, at sa iba't ibang tightness na nararamdaman ko sa back na ko. Kaya goods.